Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. Then let's enter the settings, and here in the general section, in the general list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. If you can see this red dot, it probably means that you've got the update to download. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on System Update, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it. As you can see, your device is right now checking for the updates, that's why you needed the internet connection. And basically here you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where the update is available, where you can download it. Your device will of course show you the information, what has been fixed, what has been added, the version number, etc. And all you have to do is to simply tap on download now. However, the second scenario is where your system is up to date, there's nothing to worry about, and your device will of course show you that info also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.